What if a coin stopped being flat and became a sculpture? This is Lady Waterfall. An extraordinary 2-ounce silver coin where the human form, geometry and water come together in a completely unconventional design. The first thing you notice is the shape. The female face does not simply appear on the surface. It rises dramatically from the coin, reaching approximately 3.5 centimeters in height and transforming the piece into a true miniature sculpture. Her features are crossed by an intricate geometric mesh, giving the face an almost futuristic appearance while preserving its elegance and humanity. And then comes the water. Around the sculpture, intense blue enamel creates the impression of a fountain surrounding the figure, adding movement and color and a striking contrast with the silver. The antique finish enhances every line, curve and sculptural detail, making the entire composition feel almost architectural. This is what makes Lady Waterfall so unusual. It sits somewhere between numismatics, contemporary sculpture and design. This coin is inspired by the concept of a virtual fountain, a source where water is replaced by information, memory and consciousness. The reclining head represents the point where thought transforms into information, while the geometric patterns evoke the structure of data, digital networks and connections. The reflective metallic surface symbolizes the propagation of knowledge, and the circular base represents the source from which its virtual flow emerges and regenerates. The fountain thus becomes a metaphor for the human mind, fluid, constantly evolving, expanding and renewing itself. A coin that is not simply meant to be observed from the front, but explored from every single angle. 2 ounces of silver, $2 is the face value. The issuing country is Niue, 2026, only 250 pieces in the world. Silver becomes form, geometry becomes beauty, and a coin becomes a sculpture. This is Lady Waterfall. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao!